Duncan Duo Real Estate Show. Now, your host, Andrew.
Happy Sunday, Tampa Bay. We're here to talk to you about the local real estate market. I have Chris Boss from the law firm Yesner Boss with us today, talking to us and give us an update on what's going on in the short sale and foreclosure world. And we're here to answer your questions. You can call us in Hillsborough, 990-9352, and Pinellas, 727-461-9352, and then toll-free, 1-800-969-9352. We're here to answer your questions, so whether it's about buying or selling real estate, investing, whether you've got legal questions in reference to real estate, short sales, foreclosures, if it's about real estate, we want to help you. So again, our call-in numbers, toll-free, 1-800-969-9352, in Pinellas, 727-461-9352, and then Hillsborough, 990-9352. All of our phone numbers end in 9352 or WFLA. So Chris, I know I've been reading lately with all the incentives that many of the major lending institutions are offering. You know, are banks truly getting better at handling short sales?
Well, good morning, and thank you for having me on this morning, Andrew. Yeah, they really are. I mean, as much as people are frustrated with their banks today, some of these amnesty programs that you've read in the newspaper, Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, are promoting short sales, no deficiency. A lot of them are limited documentation, fast track, meaning that one of the frustrations with short sales is that they take so long.
Right.
These are approved rapidly and close rapidly, so the banks are getting much better at processing these.
You know, I'll tell you, and what's interesting is a lot of the major banks are reaching out to the realtors that have it on the market and pre-approving the price and offering programs to where you can start the short sale process without even an offer, whereas in the past it always been, you know, you had to have an offer to really get anywhere. Now they're starting to get a little more proactive. Do you think it's because they're starting to view it as a better business decision?
Especially here in Florida, I do think so. Foreclosure is difficult here in Florida when you're a bank. I would say that every attorney and their brother now does foreclosure defense and litigation, and you can delay as a lawyer a foreclosure for quite some time in Florida. So the bank looks at that as a time value model, and they say, okay, well, if it takes us 2 years to get the house back and then list it and manage it, give it to the realtor, is it more cost effective to offer short sale incentives?
Right, and that's what we're seeing, like the Bank of America short sale offer, which was released. They're offering up to $20,000. Chase and Wells Fargo have done similar programs, so they're offering large incentives or relocation money. I know there's time frames. I think the Bank of America deal, I think, wanted the home on the market by November 30th and then closed by August of 2012. So one important aspect of that is pay attention and open your mail. A lot of people that are in this situation get discouraged because, you know, they get these notices from the bank every month saying, you know, send us some money. One of those envelopes may say, we're going to send you some money if you do a short sale. So make sure to open your mail because a lot of the banks are doing it through that manner. They're sending you a letter to tell you if you qualify or not. So, you know, as far as the foreclosure process, do you think because of how long it can take, you know, in reference to a short sale or foreclosure, do you think it's part of it? If it takes 700 days to foreclose in Florida, by the time they get the home back, it's worth less and has more damage?
Well, you would think so. You know, the market, I guess, continues to drop, and so just basic economics would say it's worth more today than it is tomorrow. But I think that overall, the banks have decided that, especially here in Florida with the robo-signers and all these things, but these are also somewhat seem to be toxic loans. So it's your Countrywide stuff,
right.
It's your Washington Mutual stuff, your World Savings loans. So they're oftentimes loans that were subject to attorney general opinions, to class action lawsuits.
Right.
So they're problematic at their core.
Okay.